I'm calling the police because this pork should be arrested for tenderism. I'm in Hollywood trying some fire Haitian food. Come with, if you know, you know. We have the fruit champagne. Caribbean stand-up. So here we have legume, black rice, and fried plantains. I cannot wait to try. My favorite dish to get at Haitian restaurants. We cannot forget to throw some pickles on our food. The dream bite. One bite, you all know the rule. We got the pickles and the legume. The flavor, the spice. Okay, Haitians, don't come for me, but we're trying the dairy Dijon, like the black rice. Correct me if I said that wrong. I'm lost for words. I'm so lost for words. This is some of the best black rice I've ever had. And your meal comes with plantains. Here we have griot, the world famous griot. Look at how tender this pork is. Fried pork, cooked to perfection. Let's try this. Some of the most tender griot I've ever tried in my whole entire life. Pickles goes on everything. Ooh, we need more. Here we go. Pro tip, grab sauce for your griot. It's delicious. Haitian mac and cheese. Have you seen a more beautiful thing? No, I'm not here for all your debates on who makes the best mac and cheese. This mac and cheese was taking me to Maui Wow. Drizzling some pickles juice on the mac and cheese, and let's try this bad boy. Cheesy, flavorful, ooey gooey, burnt at the top. Pickles deserves to be on mac and cheese. I don't even know what else to say. I'm in love. And don't ever say I didn't tell you where to find the best Haitian food in Hollywood. It's called a la mode. Follow for more.